Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to a new video. So today we will check out the all-new BMW X6 facelift, and today we are at AutoNelin. Special thanks for having us here today. And in this video we'll check out the exterior, interior, infotainment system, and I will give you my impressions of the car. So let's start with the exterior. So here we have the 2024 BMW X6, and this is the all-new facelift model. Also we have here a very cool spec, and this is the M Sport package. The exterior color is actually very cool. This is the carbon black color, which is a little bit of the blue. This is a metallic paint as well, but it's a very dark blue. It's almost like a black. That's why it's called carbon black, and I think this is one of my top favorite colors because it's to me something unusual. So definitely let me know how do you like this. So with the new X6 facelift, we can see the brand new front design, and we have new daylight running lights, the DRLs, with this like arrow shape, and they have also these like small dots. So you can see it here, very small dots. We have here the BMW LED lights, so LED light technology and blue elements in the lights as well, and two main headlights for the headlight system. And here with the carbon black you cannot see it as good as with the white color, but essentially you can check the X5 facelift video of mine, and this middle part is in gloss black. Also we have the shadow line package. So with the M Sport, the grille here is in matte black, the kidney grille, and the vertical grille is in gloss black. Here you can see also the BMW logo and two power domes on the front hood. The car looks really muscular and much more sporty than before. Also here we have these air curtains on the side, which direct air, you can see there, through the side from the front towards the side of the vehicle. And also these smaller openings here, which direct air towards the engine. To that side it is cosmetic, but if the air goes towards the front, then it's open. Also here is the radar, very good, that it is like a sort of hidden in the middle, so it looks really great in terms of the overall design. So this new X5 and X6 is a huge win in my books in terms of the design. And yeah, I really like it much more than the previous pre-facelift version. So here from the side we can check out the silhouette, and the X6 is known for this coupe shape silhouette. This is the 30D, so the diesel version. Also you can get the petrol version as well. So yeah, this one is the xDrive 30 diesel version, xDrive all-wheel drive system. And you can see a little bit this blue tint to the vehicle. And X6, the coupe shape, the coupe version of the X5, the first car which actually brought this version to the market, the X6, the coupe SUV. And here we can see the wheels. So these are very nice looking in my opinion. They have like a not a black, but like dark gray on the inner part, and on the outside this like aluminum color. And these are 275 40 21 inch with red brake calipers, M Sport red brakes, and these are on Hankook tires from the factory, Ventus S1 Evo 3 SUV. Also on the front fender here we have the BMW M badge, and the side of the car looks really muscular as well. The window trim is in gloss black, so everything is blacked out. Really great looking vehicle. So rear wheels, we can check out the size as well. So the size of the rear wheels is 315 35 21 inch. So really wide at the rear for better traction. This is primarily rear-wheel drive vehicle. Also we have here this shark fin for the antennas, and this not spoiler but like tiny baby spoiler. Basically you can see from the roof towards the end of the vehicle, and this lip on the boot has an aerodynamic cut on the middle, and it's not big, not small, it's like little lip basically, but adds to this M Sport package, and certainly looks better with this package than without it. And once again, here we can see the really amazing design of the X6. Here are the tail lamps, so you can see the line here, and the exhaust tips are in gloss black, and we have 3 diffuser-like fins in the middle. Not really diffuser, but diffuser-like in terms of the cosmetics. And here from the shade, car looks absolutely fantastic in my opinion. Also these vents here, they are cosmetic, I believe. Yes, they are cosmetic, but certainly looking really great. On a brighter color, for example on the white or any different bright color, you will see these elements much better. Also this lower part around the exhausts, it's a little bit more high up, so the car doesn't look as heavy in the back. So it looks very aerodynamic, and yeah, really like a light, we can say, light on its feet. Also here you can see the angle from the back, and we can check it out as well from this side. Really nice, the new X6. Here is xDrive 30D diesel version, and X6 on the left side, both in chrome, and BMW logo in the middle. So definitely let me know how do you like this new X6 facelift version. I think it looks really great, especially from the front. Here we can check out, when we are here, the boot. So here you can see the X6 logo. I believe you can, yes, open it like this, and now you can see the boot. You can check out the liters and cubic feet on the screen. First aid kit here on the left side. Underneath the boot floor you can find some storage space. Here could be, I believe, the spare tire. It looks like it. Definitely this thinner tire. And check out, here we have one strut in the middle which opens this. It's very easy actually, I really like that. Here we have some hooks to secure the luggage, also in all corners, and you can fold the seats 40, 20, 40. Also here we have the 12-volt socket, so that's really nice. And on this side we have this small hook, and on this you can hang, for example, your shopping bag, stuff like that. So yeah, certainly very cool. And you can close the boot here with the touch of a button. Also you can lock the car if you want. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out the interior. And here in the M Sport package we have this beautiful spec, and this is a white interior. It's called like the elephant, I believe. You can check out the name of this upholstery on the screen. I believe it's something like elephant bone. Sorry, yeah, I cannot tell you exactly, but it will be on the screen. It's definitely like a white interior, but not pure white. It has a like a little tint to it. And in the doors you can see also this nice wood. Also will be on the screen the exact name of this. And this is how the rear looks from the front. Let me know what you think about it. Alright guys, so here we are in the cockpit of the X6. Here you can see the M logo, M Sport steering wheel, and the new iDrive 8 system, the latest generation of the BMW iDrive, here with these smaller vertical widgets which you can change, like a weather and so many. This is really nice infotainment system. And yeah, as you can see, system settings, interlighting, BMW assistance. Then we have the passenger airbag, messages, even YouTube, climate control. You can also change these air vents like this, so the air does not blow on you. You can also close it like this. And we have also here the vehicle status displays, doors and windows, driving settings, exterior lighting, and here should be also the interior lighting and the ambient lighting, which we can increase the brightness to maximum and change the color as well to something what is bright. This indigo should be the brightest. You can see it here in the doors. It's not as bright during the day, but during nighttime it is much brighter. So yeah, in the end, really great improvement for the BMW. Here you can see this very dark brown wood. You can check it out on the screen, the name of this, the interior trim, and these arrows, which are also in the front headlights. You can see also the X6 logo here, and the whole car feels much more improved. And obviously huge news is this screen, which we have 2 screens, and it is curved. You can see here, so the screen is curved. So the screen is curved to give you better reading possibilities of the screen. So for the driver, it's curved towards the driver here from this side, a little bit from this side as well. Steering wheel, very nice, leather in the middle as well, stitching, and this nice elephant white leather, absolutely fantastic. Also here on the top, and we have Harman Kardon surround sound system, and you can change the settings for the lights here, so automatic or different modes. And also really nice pedals. These are aluminum with like a rubber in the middle, so they are not slippery. So here is the BMW key, the all new BMW style key, very nice. I really like this one. And here in the middle, this whole panel is surrounded in this trim, this dark brown wood trim. And if you open it, here you have the digital key. So this is with M logo, BMW digital key. So with NFC technology you can leave it here and program via the app the car. Also we have 2 cup holders. They are also adjustable, and you can also cool or heat the 2 of these cup holders. Really cool that you can, as you can see here, cool or heat or turn it off. So that's really great. The walls of this will be cooled or heated up. Also here we have the 12-volt socket and USB-A port. You can close it like this. Above it we have the volume. Also you can skip the previous track or next track, hazard lights, maximum for the defrost and rear defrost as well. So here in the middle panel we have the traction control, parking, auto, engine, stop engine, start stop engine button. You can have a sport or sport individual. Then we have the comfort, which looks like this, and then Eco Pro. So you can change Eco Pro or Eco Pro individual. Then hill descent control, auto hold, parking brake, and this is the transmission, reverse neutral drive or sport, parking, and this knob where you can change what is shown. As you can see here, you can change the widgets, very cool. And you can also write here the letters, for example, into the address input, and yeah, very nice. And also these shortcuts, media, home, map, telephone, like you press map and it will show you the map. So really great in my opinion. So here is the armrest, white for 2 arms, very nice and soft leather. If you open it, we have a place for some storage space, also USB-C ports. Here we have glove compartment, and here are these beautiful seats. You can see this stitching, really nice, sort of like a diamond shape, and soft leather material also on the headrest. So really nice. So here on the roof you have the black cloth material, and here you have buttons for the lights as well. You can turn them on. Only one side, for example, or the passenger side. And also here we have the SOS button. Also I found here the ambient air. Let me know if you know what is this. These are like a blue suit number 1 light, and this one is the golden suit number 2 rich. So the leather on the seats is really high quality, and it's not super soft, but also it's not it needs to hold the weight of the passengers basically, and I think it's yeah, it's pretty good in overall terms of the firmness or stiffness or comfortability. So yeah, those are my first impressions. And here you can see also M colors on the seat belts, really cool detail. And here are the controls for the seats on the side of the seat, and also the M logo and the door seals. So here on the side of the door you can see the pressures and what kind of pressures you should need depending on the size of your wheel. Alright, so now let's check out the back seats. So here is the rear section of the X6. Let's hop inside. Here are some door pockets. You can see for large water bottle it should fit. And you have very nice and cozy atmosphere here in the back. Alright, so this is the knee room here. I think this is about, I would say, sort of like a 6-7 centimeters, about 3 inches I would say. Also this is nice to hold the handle here, the door handle. This is actually very comfortable to sit like this. And here we have also some storage space and some controls for the AC here as well. You can also turn on the seat heating for the rear. Here we have connections for the ISOFIX for your passengers, and in the middle we have here this really nice middle armrest. Also, if you press here, you can actually open this, and now we have 2 cup holders, also adjustable. Check it out, how cool is this? And if you press here, then you can see additional storage space here. It's not too deep, it's shallow, but pretty large, so that's also cool. And yeah, the pattern is really great. Also this piping in the middle in black give these cars sort of nice silhouette in the middle. Also here in the seat, also the same is in the front, so the same principle. And this is basically 3-seat bench, mostly for 2 people, but you can fit 3 people here for sure. And this is how much headroom do I have here in the back of the X6 facelift. This one is, as you can see, with the black cloth roof. And this is about good 10 centimeters, I would say, maybe 8 centimeters, 3-4 inches more or less. So really great in terms of the headroom, in my opinion. I'm 186 centimeters, 6 feet and 1 inch, a little bit more than that. So considering this is a coupe shape SUV, I think it's really great in terms of the headroom. So of course you feel that you have less headroom here than in, for example, X5. But that's because of this coupe silhouette, so you need to decide what you want more, the more headroom in the rear or this more coupe style shape for the vehicle. Parking cameras, really nice in terms of the arrows, how the car parks. Also here we have the panorama view. You can change the view of the parking as well. Here assist view and yeah, parking view. So many versions of the cameras which are available. So really great system for the parking.